All right, I'm really excited today, guys. I got a package from my friend Yvonne from turning Craftwise, and we've been connecting on Skool and been having some really great conversations, and it's been really awesome to get to know her. And she so kindly sent me a package from her store, so I'm super excited to see what's in here and what she sent me. Um, so I'm gonna unbox this with you. So let's have a look and see what she sent me. So Yvonne's store has sewing supplies as well as knitting and crochet supplies, yarn, all those kinds of things. And while I sew, that hasn't been something I've been able to do a whole lot lately. So she is also in my crochet community on Skool, and it's been really fun to have her in there with me, as well as seeing what's going on in her community. Oh, that's so cute. Ah, it's so cute. I love the fabric. That's awesome. Oh, nice. So this says brush-tailed possum and fine merino. It's so soft. That's so lovely. Oh, and she's got 4 colors in here for me. I haven't ever seen this before, so this is really exciting. I love trying new yarn. That's really pretty. And it's really soft. So nice. Oh, yay! Stitch markers. That's always fun. Oh, and look at that hook. That's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, and these yarns are really nice too. I'm gonna have some fun with that. Fiddlesticks Wallace, 37% bamboo and 63% acrylic. Very nice. It's really soft. I wonder if I have enough here for a cardigan. I'm gonna have to do some math and see, because this would be really, really fun for a cardigan. But I'm so excited, Yvonne. This is gonna be so fun. I have so much stuff here to play with, some new yarns to try out and see how they work up. They feel so soft. So I'm really excited. And this hook is just lovely. So it's a 7mm, and I think that this might be one of my new favorite hooks. It feels really, really nice in the hand. So I'm excited. So fun. So fun. And this fabric is just the cutest. Thank you so much, Yvonne. So that's this is from Yvonne from Turning Craftwise, and I really appreciate you sending this to me. All right, so looking at all of this, I'm really hoping that I have enough to be able to do some, hopefully I have enough to be able to do a hexacardy, but we'll have to see. So I have to do some calculations and see what I've got and see if it's enough. I'm super excited about the colors that I have for this Perino. It's so brush-tail possum and fine merino. I think that I might be able to do some really nice Christmas things with these 3 colors together. So I'm excited about that. With Christmas coming up, that'll be perfect. So soft. Could also do these 2 together and make a really cute hat. So I've got some decisions to make about what I'm gonna do with these colors. So it's really nice though. Everything is super, super soft. And I haven't heard of these brands before, so it'll be fun to play with them. So Wallace and Perino. This one says that it takes 6.5 millimeter, and these ones say they take a 4 millimeter. So the 7 millimeter would give me a nice loose stitch for these Wallace ones, which might be perfect for doing a cardi. So I'm excited. And now I've got some nice stitch markers that I can use for my stuff, because I've just been using safety pins up to this point. So this will be super, super helpful. I'm really looking forward to being able to play with all these goodies that I got from Yvonne. So I'm excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah. So I guess I will see you all later, and I hope you have a great day. So I couldn't help myself. I had to just give it a try. I have so many other projects that I have to get done, but this yarn was just begging to be tried. I really wanted to test out this hook, and it's not the right size for my other projects that I'm working on right now. So, but I'm just really loving it. The hook is different for me. I'm so used to using like the thin aluminum hooks. And so it is a little bit of an adjustment for me, but it does feel really nice. And I'm looking forward to being able to use it more. And it kind of makes me want to get a whole bunch that are more like this size. So yeah, this yarn is really nice. And even considering how fuzzy it is, it still frogs decently, which is nice. Excuse me, sorry. And maybe that's partially because I'm using a hook that's a little bit bigger, I'm not sure, but it does still it still frogs reasonably well, even though it's quite fluffy and fuzzy. So, so that'll be good. Because sometimes I really need to be able to frog things. So I really am enjoying this yarn so far, and I'm looking forward to working with it more. So anyway,